in downtown Danville at 115 Railroad Avenue, and we're looking to lease a fully built out personal training fitness facility at Railroad, and the cross street is Linda Mesa. Here is a four-way intersection with traffic counts at about 10,000 per day. Across the street is a clock tower public parking lot. And straight ahead where it says New Direction Fitness is the signage opportunity for the space that we are about to take a look at. Now we're standing inside the space. It's about 3,560 square feet. As you can see, it's a true turnkey opportunity for a personal trainer. You have your mats, mirrors. I'm going to do a 360. And you can see we have a 16-foot approximately roll-up door so we can get natural light and some fresh air coming in. Straight ahead is a gate to the Iron Horse Trail. And there's another room right here, also has mirrors. A lot of natural light with the windows and the double doors. We have four small office spaces. Here's one. We have a little hall that leads us to one restroom. And then another little small office space. We're going to go upstairs. Okay, we're now standing at the top of the stairs on the second floor. Here we have a storage space, and this is not included in the 3,560 square feet. We have our other office space with a skylight and a window for some more natural light. I have a kitchenette, also with the skylight, and refrigerator is included. And straight ahead we have our fourth office space. So one last view from second floor. Alright, just want to show you the side of the building. Straight ahead is Railroad. We have a few entrances to our space here. We have some parking in the rear. Danville has about 45,000 residents. Daytime population within a 3-mile radius is over 20,000. Household income within a 1-mile radius is over 165,000. And again, we have strong traffic counts and great signage visibility up here at the four-way intersection. So to schedule a tour for any information, please contact me, Adria Giacomelli with Colliers at 925-279-4619. Thank you.